this is what you're gonna need. Parchment paper and a bowl and a tray and a roller and so 2 cups of flour and half a cup of salt, 3/4 of water, a straw and some spatulas. Now let's begin! First we're going to pour in the flour. Okay. Now some salt. Now we're going to pour in the water.
Perfect.
Start, right?
Start with the wooden spoon. Yeah, stir like that. Yeah. Slowly. Make sure everything
Okay, I got it.
like
I
this.
got
Yeah.
it.
Okay. Keep stirring until you can't stir anymore and all the water and everything is combined. Now, I'm going to combine it. You want to combine it with your hand?
Oh yeah.
Like Play-Doh. So you're going to
Yeah.
squish it and make sure it turns into a ball. Go ahead, go. Make sure it, no, together, like this. Take it and then try to make sure it squishes like a ball. Good.
It's like Play-Doh,
Uh-huh.
but it's like dough.
Make sure you get everything in.
It's like, but it's dough,
Yeah.
not Play-Doh,
Yeah.
but it acts like Play-Doh.
Yeah, make sure you get everything from the bottom. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So yummy.
Okay. Yeah, you have to knead it a little bit. Oh, wait, let me just put some flour on the...
Can I put some?
Sure, grab it and put it on the table. Sprinkle it on the table. Good. Okay, that's good. Now, we're gonna knead it.
Why are we
Flip
doing-
it. Flip. Knead.
Mom,
Okay,
why
good.
are we doing it on the table?
Well, because it's easier.
But if the table might get messier.
It's okay.
Mom, we'll clean it up. You?
There we go. Just sprinkle a little bit. Good.
A little more.
No, that's it. That's good enough.
Just one. I think that's enough.
Okay, we did our little dough. So now, just gonna take it like this,
Oh.
and then we're gonna have to roll it out. Okay? So, we have a tiny roller, but that's okay. I'm gonna press it down a little bit.
Yeah, because
Press
I
down.
have this way in.
All right, let's try to roll it.
I wanna
Can you roll it?
I wanna
Okay, let's do this without the tray for a minute. And you're gonna roll it, okay? Go ahead, roll.
Just
It's okay. Now roll. All sides. Good. Pretty good. We have our dough nice and flat. So what you're gonna also need, I forgot to mention, you're gonna need a little cookie cutter, okay? But we don't have a cookie cutter, so you're gonna use this cap. Do you want the ornament to be this big or smaller? This big, yeah?
that big.
Okay, so just press it down. Press, press, press. Swish it a little bit. Swish, swish, swish. Good, okay. Now do another one. Squish, squish, squish.
Hold on.
Good. Perfect. And then we can do maybe one tiny one. What do you think?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Flip it and then squish down. Good. Get up. Perfect. We're just gonna make.
I'm gonna get the big ones.
Hold on. Perfect. All right. So now.
I'm gonna get the other one.
Okay. Go ahead. Slowly, slowly, nice and gently. Hold on. We're gonna have to put your hands out. Okay. Good. There we go. Perfect. And now we have the last one, the tiny baby one. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, we can make more.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up our oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And we need to leave these for about 2 hours. Okay, you're gonna check to make sure it dries. So what Rafiga's gonna do is she's gonna kind of put her handprint on this. Yeah, you wanna put your handprint?
Yeah.
Okay, your hand's a little bit bigger than this, but that's okay. Let's squeeze. All right, pick it up. Okay, we kind of have a little handprint in there. Can't really see it too much. Let's see, hold on. Maybe we can do this one a little bit better. And good, lift it up slowly. Slowly. Okay, there we go. We have a handprint. Okay, now hold on. We're gonna leave this one so you can decorate it. Oh, and then we need the straw to make some holes. Okay?
Here?
So we're gonna make one little hole here.
I wanna do it.
Okay, make it another one close to it.
Why is it?
It's okay. Take it out. And then make another hole inside. Good. Perfect. Let's get this out. Okay, so since your hand is already been made, we're gonna do one over here. Very good. And then you're gonna make another one right here. Good. Good. Now let's do another one over here. Perfect.
It's fun.
And then you're gonna do another one right there.
This is so much fun, Mommy.
Perfect. Yeah, it is
So
really
much
fun, right?
fun.
Okay, so now we're gonna put
It's like
these three
these-
inside the oven for 2 hours, and then whatever scraps you have, you can keep making more until you have no more scraps, okay?
So I found some more of these cookie cutters, and pick up there's a round thing.
Good. So now we're gonna make some. Put it over here. Yes, that makes it easier. Make sure you press it down really good. Give it a little wiggle.
Shake-a-lickle.
Good. And then we're gonna just slowly pop this out.
Giraffe.
Oh, look, it's a cute little elephant.
Okay.
And we got a giraffe slowly. Okay, very good.
And now a circle.
Okay, we're gonna do some circles. Okay, we can do more circles. Perfect. And one more right over here. One more circle.
I think that would be enough.
Enough, yeah. So basically, these, we're gonna color them once they're ready. We're gonna color them and paint them and put whatever design we want with glitter and all that kind of stuff. Yeah? Sounds
Yeah.
good? Okay. Little ones.
Okay, I'm gonna make.
Oh wait, we can make a seahorse if you want. Do you want a seahorse?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, butterflies. Make sure it's pressed down. Press, press, press. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Good. if you guys can see that, she wrote her name and the year, and this is gonna be her ornament for this year. All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven.
Yeah.
All
And now our ornaments are dried. We can pick them. These are our ornaments.
Rafika's handprint.
And Rafika's handprint again.
Then we have plain ones, so we can just paint and do cool things. We have a tree.
And a butterfly.
And a butterfly. We have a little tiny choo-choo train.
And another butterfly.
And we have some acorn.
And more butterflies.
Yep, and now we're gonna paint them.
Yeah.
And we have some paint right over here. We also have some
Christmas balls.
some little pom-poms.
Yeah, pom-pom.
Okay, great. So which one do you want to paint first?
I'm gonna do the elephant. This is a nice white. So now some black.
Just a little.
That's it. And mix it. Oh, it does make gray. Got it. Does make gray. I need I'm gonna do these
Look
ones.
how nice this came out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do the Christmas tree.
Mom, what does make sound?